Hey guys, welcome to QT Drawings. Today I'll be drawing this cute turkey. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper. And please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Okay, let's first start off by drawing a circle for the shape of the body. Next, let's move inside and draw the beak. In the center here, let's draw two curves down. And then a V shape below it to close it off. Now on the top right, let's draw a curve over, down, and back up. And then one more curve to close it off. And that's it for the beak. Let's draw the eyes next with two circles. Now inside each eye on the top right, let's draw another circle. And then inside on the bottom left, let's add a heart. And now let's color both eyes in black. And lastly, for the eyes, let's draw a curve above on the outside. Next, let's draw some curves on the belly. Let's draw 3 underneath here. 2 below it, and then one more at the bottom. Next, let's add the wings on the side. On the left side, let's draw a curve down, and then curve it back up. Then from the bottom, let's step up and add another curve, and then one more to close it off. And now let's do the same thing on the right for the other wing. Next, let's erase the overlapping lines inside. And that's it for the wings. Next, let's hop up to the top of the head and draw 2 curves for feathers. Now let's move down below the body and add the feet. Underneath on the left, let's draw 3 bumps. And 3 on the right. Now underneath each one, let's draw 2 lines down. And then 3 bumps for the feet. And that's it for the body. Next, let's draw the tail feathers. On the top of the head, let's draw a large curve up and back down. Then on the left, let's draw another curve that's slightly smaller. And the same on the right. And again on the left. And on the right. And then let's add 2 more feathers on both sides. Next, inside each feather at the top, let's add 2 curves. And that's it for this cute turkey. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!